Okay, we've got it apart and diagnosed. This is the discharge port right there, and the little output tube is in this position right there. And the cost of this repair is going to be, see the little gasket, we got to just replace it. It was $2.99. With shipping, gosh, it came to a whopping $8. So we're going to put it back together and go from there. Okay, this is the valve plate, and you have the three little valves go in the high pressure side, and the ring will go on the piston side, and this is the low pressure side, low pressure valve on that side. So let's put it together. Okay, now what we did is we put the little gasket right on the tube, put the tube inside the head, screwed the head down. And by the way, if your quits working, you might check there's a little fuse right there. So anyway, we're going to button her back up. Okay, let's put her together. You see the clamp fits right in here, which helps steady that. This is fixed up here with the new gasket. We have the strain relief back in this area, and it fits in that notch. We have a number of these square pads that we got back exactly where they go. We got one here, one here. That's what helps support it. In the case, there's one there, and there's a third one at the end of the housing here, which fits a hole. I don't know if I can get the glide in there to show you, but at the bottom, there it is. At the bottom of the case, there's that piece right there. So that's it. We're ready to put the other clamshell on and go from there. Okay, we put the 5 screws holding the clamshell together. We have slid it into its little cradle there, and the only thing we have left is we have 2 screws that go in the back that hold it, go in those holes, and the one on the other side which keep it from obviously backing off top of the compressor. And that's it. Alrighty, there she is, all put back together. Alrighty, you ready for the test? Let's hit the test on it. With any luck, we'll turn it on and this little red knob will go on up.